Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter Kernelbase error, then watch this video to fix it. The first thing you need to do if you encounter this error is to run an SFC scan. We will do that by going to the command prompt from the search bar, right click on it, and then click on run as administrator. And then we will enter the command sfc space slash scannow and press enter and wait for the scan to run. The next thing we can do is we can re-register the Kernel base.dll. We can re-register that file. So we'll go to command prompt, right click on it, click on run as administrator, yes, and we will enter the command regsvr32 space kernelbase.dll and press enter and then restart the computer and you should no longer face this error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.